Hey folks, I'm HPCrazy, this is Dr. Pink, and today I'm going to talk about a song by All Them Witches, which is called When God Comes Back. Somebody once suggested this band to me some time ago, and so I picked it up, and I really liked it. So here's the tutorial. It's like how it sounds. So this is the two parts which are in the song, and let's check it out. And by the way, if you have any suggestions for other tutorials of songs which are popular but not too much on the main path, which this is the HPCrazy channel, we don't want to do normal stuff. So then you can suggest it to me. Somebody asked for Hotel California most recently. Maybe I do it. I don't know. The solo is a little bit complicated to learn. It's not complicated, it's long. Yeah, so let's get started with the song here. First thing to notice is the guitars are tuned down on C. You can do it either tune down the entire guitar 3 half tones, which I did not do because it was too complicated. Or, as I did, you just tune down the low E string down to C. And it doesn't really make a big difference what you do. If you do tune down the entire guitar down, you need to move up everything which I show 4 frets. Otherwise, we stay in this position here in the normal C position, but we have the open E to C string, which makes this dark and brewing sound. So let's get started. I'm playing with the guitar just with 1 string tuned down. The lowest E string became a C, so I'm gonna play in the C minor pentatonic position in the normal tuning, which is here in the 8th fret. This one here, this position, I take this position, and a low position here as well. So this one here, this one here. Yeah, you could also play the whole thing in the high position, but the low one is cooler. So this is how it goes. First you attack the low C string twice, then hammer on A to 10, then double stop here in the 8th. Attack the low C string twice again, and then a hammer on here, the 8th to the 10th fret. See, that's how it works. Then the same thing comes again. Then, and this is a double stop you make. You're in the 8th fret and the 10th, and you make the bending on the 10th. This gives this unisono sound, this weird unisono sound. Release it. Then 10, 8, 10. That's how it works. That's the entire thing of the first part of the riff. The rhythm was a little bit tricky. The best thing is you listen to the original song as many times as you need to till you get it down. I need to listen a few times because somehow it seems easy, but it's not. It's somehow, yeah, but this is how it works. Sorry. Now comes the second one. This is now the second one. That one is a little bit more tricky. Then it goes like this. So again, A to 10. A to 10. Now comes a riff. This one goes like this. I played in a low position because it's more handy and because I need a low C, which since I tuned down only the low E string, I don't have this C here. It would be, I don't know, where would it be? No, that would be too complicated, so I go down. And then you go back after this, here in the 10th fret, and then we are at the beginning again. And then it all starts again. So slow, the whole thing slow. Oops. And then it all starts again. Yeah, I know it's not so easy, but the best thing is really to listen to it many times till you get the rhythm down. But from the technical part, how to play, it's very easy. Very typical rock licks, riffs is not a problem at all, but the rhythm is pretty tricky. Yeah, then comes the second part. There was some weird chords, and this is basically D, D5 here, 5th, 7th, 7, then C sharp, and then interesting, let's do A sharp. So here in the 1st fret, 3rd, 3rd. So 1, 2, a full bar. Then it starts again a few times and then goes back to the main riff. The whole song is built on those two parts, and listen to the song to really get this stuff done. Yeah, what more to say? When you want to go into soloing, this dude, he's using the C minor pentatonics, but also this note here. This one here in the 10th fret. Or if you would play it with the whole guitar tune up, this would be in the 14th fret. But and he often uses unisono bendings. This is the typical, gives this really, let's say, classic rock feel. Yeah, and that's more or less how the whole thing works. Yeah, this was a little tutorial about When God Comes Back by All Them Witches. If you, as I said at the beginning of the things, if you have any suggestions for other songs, I mean, I'm willing to listen to them, but somehow there's no guarantee that I will do it. But since I don't have so much time to listen to other music, it's a little bit a job issue. Since I'm a professional guitarist, I play guitar all the time and mostly don't have time to listen to other music. I'm open for suggestions, so you can do it, and I probably check them out. Maybe I'm gonna do it. Who knows? But that one was really fun because I really enjoyed this song, and I need to enjoy the song, otherwise it's too cheesy for me to really check a song out too long. And Dr. Pink is a very moody person, as women are. And yeah, so Dr. Pink also needs to like this song. Yeah, so good. That was it, more or less. More to say. Follow me on Instagram, HPCrazy. That's my personal account, or on Facebook. If you love what I'm doing, support me with a donation. The donation page is on my website. If you want to have any private lessons, it's also on my website, hpcrazy.com. Yeah, and another thing, if anybody would write a Wikipedia entry for HPCrazy, I would be very grateful, or a few of you. Yeah. Dr. Pink, more to say? Nothing more. Okay, bye.